In this video, we are going to learn how to automate lead assignment in Odoo 19. Let's get started by moving to the CRM module. Once you are in CRM, go to Settings. Here, you will find an option called Rule-Based Assignment. After enabling this feature, you will be able to assign leads automatically based on defined rules. There are two options available: manually, repeatedly. If you select manually, you need to click the update button each time to trigger the assignment. If you select repeatedly, the system will automatically check and assign leads based on the defined criteria at regular intervals. For example, if it is set to 1 day, the next check will happen at the scheduled time. If you set it to 1 hour, the system will repeat the process every hour. For now, let's set it to manually and save the configuration. Next, go to Sales Teams. Select a sales team. For example, Setup A. Here, you will see the assignment rule section. Now, we can define the conditions, domain, for automatic lead assignment. In this example, I am setting 2 conditions. The probability should be greater than or equal to 20. The email field must be set. If a lead satisfies both these conditions, it will be automatically assigned to the respective salesperson or team. After configuring the rule, click Save. Now, go to the pipeline and create a new lead. Let's name it Test Lead. Currently, you can see that the probability is less than 20. The email is not set. Now, I will remove any predefined salesperson. Next, I will add an email address. Once the email is set, you can see that the probability increases. Now, the lead satisfies both conditions. Email is present. Probability is greater than 20. Next, go back to Settings and click the Update button. You will see a pop-up indicating that the assignment process has been executed. Now, return to the pipeline and check the lead. You can see that the corresponding sales team and salesperson have been automatically assigned. This is how automated lead assignment works in Odoo 19. Thank you.